What you're going to do is stretch to the right side like this. Take your right leg to the right side, stretch your arms. Then you're going to bring your arms to your legs back. Then you're going to stretch to the left side using your left leg and your arms. Good job. Bring your arms to your legs back. You guys are great. Then you're going to turn. You're going to make a circle to the left, and you're going to come back to the front. Let's do that one more time. Circle to the left side and back to the front. Good job. You guys had that. We're going to do that one more time. You're going to stretch to the right side. Bring your arms to your legs back. Stretch to the left side. With your left leg. The left leg. Front. Then you're going to stretch with this leg. There you go. Stretch your arms. Good job. Bring your arms and legs back. You're going to circle to the left side. Everyone's going to come back to the front. Good job. So you're going to take your right leg back. Everyone take your right leg back. Good job. Then you're going to kick. Good job. Circle to the left side and come back to the front. Good job. You're going to take your right leg back. Right leg back. And kick. Great job. Now I'm going to teach you guys the ending. So now I'm teaching you guys the ending. You're going to stretch your arm up like this. Whichever arm you choose. Everyone in the audience, including the parents. Everyone stretch your arms up. So what's going to happen is because you guys are sitting, you're just going to hit your thigh like that.